Hello, I'm Glenn from Wrexham Volkswagen. Thank you very much for viewing the video of our 1.6 DSG Passat S in Harvard Blue we have in stock. The car is in lovely condition with one owner. Currently the mileage at the moment showing 14,344. It's a DSG gearbox, does come with air conditioning, 4 electric windows, and it's the black cloth interior. Car comes with 12 months breakdown cover, balance of manufacturer's warranty, so the car was registered in 2017. It's a TDI Blue Motion. So it's great on fuel. As I say, the car is currently on site, so available for a test drive. If you would like any more information on the car, or would like a test drive, or to organise any finance figures or part exchange valuation, please give Glenn or Phil a call on 01978 340 600 and we'll be happy to help. In the meantime, thank you very much for viewing our video and we hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.